So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Akash and you're watching Akash Sky Vlog. I'm Akash and I make content related to lifestyle, content related to college, content related to courses and all. So today's video is going to be very special and a lot of people have asked me to make this video. And so the video is about BCA program at Christ University. BCA is Bachelor's in Computer Application. So in this video I'll be talking about each and every small to the most required, each and every pin to pin details about the course, the timing, the fees, the package, how can you get it in, all the things. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get into the video. Also, before starting this video, I want to specially thank Sharia because she is from BCA department, computer science department, and honestly मैं BCom से हूँ, so I had no idea about this course, and since a lot of my subscribers were demanding for this course, I just pinned her a message and she literally replied right back to me, and I have like all the notes and everything in detail so that it will help you guys in further whether to apply it for BCA or not. So thank you, Sharia. Well, the first thing I want to tell is BCA is Bachelor's in Computer Application. If you're someone जिसको engineering नहीं करना है and if you are keen about or you have the interest in computer science, then you can definitely consider this option called as BCA. इसमें आपको programming सिखाते हैं, coding सिखाते हैं, web designing सिखाते हैं, all the AI वगैरह भी सिखाते हैं आजकल तो. So all the technological courses related anything are taught in this BCA. Let's get started. The first one is the specializations. What are the specializations available in BCA? And it is like BCA is a 3-year program and plus honors. So BCA is for 3 years and if you want to do your honors then it is for 4 years. And honors में भी आपको options मिलते हैं with research and without research. That is completely upon you how you want to do it. BCA plus honor is mostly preferred and given more priority. Well, the next question is there any entrance exam for BCA? Yes, you have to give an entrance exam. There is a written exam, but very few, like there are math, English. These are the subjects which gonna have more practical paper, programming, coding, etc. So it means that you'll have subjects like English and math and all, but it is more gonna be like a practical subject. They will ask you about programming and also you please go through all your programs 11th and 12th because this might help you to clear your paper. Another very important questions which a lot of people ask me is it necessary to have computer science in your 11th and 12th? Because I was a student, I had computer science in my 11th and 12th, so मेरे को ज़्यादा problem नहीं होती. You can definitely go in, but if you are someone जिसका नहीं है, if you are someone जिसने शायद stats लिया था, maths लिया था or something else and you didn't have your computer science in 11th and 12th, is it still possible to get into BCA program? Well, the good news is yes, you can still get into that. It's just that you have to clear your entrance paper and it is not necessary for doing CS in your 11th and 12th because they still teach you with basics for your first year. बट इफ़ यू हैव डन ICISE वालों का या फिर CBSE वालों का ये कोर्स होता है IP विच इज़ इंफॉर्मेटिक practices. That is well and good because I think then you already know the basics and all, and clearing the entrance exam will definitely be a very helpful thing. Now the timings for BCA program at Christ University are, it is from Monday to Friday, it is from 9:30 to 3:30, and if there are any extra classes then it can go up to 4:30 as well. Also इस सब्जेक्ट की the best part is इस सब्जेक्ट में सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत कम होते हैं, मतलब 1-2 ही सब्जेक्ट होते हैं, whereas I am a commerce student and I have to study like 5 subjects. इसमें सब्जेक्ट्स कम होते हैं and Saturdays को the timing will be from 9:30 to 1:30 max. There are 2 sections in every class, so I think you should apply as soon as possible because 2 ही sections हैं तो ज़्यादा seats available नहीं है और बहुत सारे लोग हैं ना इसको डिमांड कर रहे हैं, so apply it right now. ऑल्सो नाउ यू विल बी लाइक कि फ़ीस कितनी होगी इस कोर्स का. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द एक्यूरेट फीस क्योंकि उसका नहीं पता है, हर साल चेंज होते रहती है. ट्राई टू टेल यू द एवरेज फीस ऑफ ईच ईयर विच इज़ 1.5 lakh to 1.7 lakh. Now it can differ on three bases. First one is Karnataka student. If you are someone from Karnataka, then your fees will be lower because of the scholarship. If you are someone from other states in India, then your fees will be 20 to 30,000 more than the Karnataka students. And if you are a NRI, if you are traveling from abroad and studying here, then your fees will definitely be more. One of the main reason of us studying is to get a hefty package, and I know a lot of people will be thinking ki how much will be the package if I do my BCA at Christ University. Now again, I won't be telling the exact figures. I'll try to tell the what do I say? I'll try to tell you the average and maximum. The average package of a BCA graduate is from 6 to 10 lakh. Yes, because this is a really nice package because computer science is very much demanded nowadays. So उनको एक अच्छा package मिल जाता है. And the maximum package which students have got is 32 lakhs. And trust me, अगर वो मिल गया ना तुमको, this is next level. आपको मास्टर्स वगैरह करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Timings हो गया, sections हो गए. So now I'll be giving you some extra informations which might help you to know more about this course. So extra information, it is better if you learn C++, Python, Java and all those things. अगर किसी को नहीं पता है क्या होते हैं, ये कंप्यूटर कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस होते हैं, उनके बारे में आप जान लो. They would get a better idea beforehand. Do as many as online courses related programming language and get your LinkedIn page ready during your first year itself. So these are the basic informations which my friend have said. Open your LinkedIn account and also try to learn as many as skills possible. Now I want to tell that कि it is not really necessary कि आपने डिग्री की है कि नहीं. What is necessary is that how much are you good at your skill. Like, do you know programming or not? If you are good at your skills, no, I'm telling you, you'll have a very nice package. And this is what companies are looking for. They are not looking for your marks and all. So I hope I've cleared all your doubts. And if you enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, thank you for watching and bye guys. Take care. Any doubts, please comment down. I'll reply. If not today, I'll take some time, but I'll definitely reply.